Hello traders, this is addzeros and I want to quickly share with you my afternoon trade. So I got an access, so I was looking at VIAC, and if you look at the 5 minute chart, you will see that it's making a bear flag. So if you look at 5 minutes here, you see the big long red bar. I was looking for to reverse up to the VWAP. I added my first position here, very small position I took it, and then I was waiting is to break this candle. The moment it break the last 5 minute candle, I added into my position, and then I ride it all the way. So I wanted to share with you how I traded. And then let me just go back again, and I also put my some short orders here on the break of 430 below the 45.50. So let's see how did I trade here. So moment it break, I am now in the full position, and it's just a scalp trade in the afternoon. Is already all around 332. So now I wanted to put the trailing order, but I wanted to see that once it break under 45.20, then I can put this trailing order. So, see, I put in 45.40 is immediately jump back. I cancel the order because it doesn't make sense to have that order, because otherwise I won't be able to make. So now I see that it's breaking 45.20, and I put the trailing order now. And now, if you see here, I'm just wanted to see it's break the 45, and I can, if I get a until 44.80, something like that, if I can get it, that is my target. So it broke now, and it has a, if you look at this is a big bar now, so it can reverse anytime. Now I had a first partial, but I'm still looking at to see that whether it is going to continue or this red candle turn into a green. And I said if it's gonna turn green, I'm gonna take one more partial. And I took one more partial here. So now I have a 350 shares left. What I did, I put the trailing order, and I stopped out. So I made just a quick scalp here, and that is the way I have traded in afternoon. And I wanted to tell you one more thing about it, that if you are interested, from tomorrow I'm going to go live on Skype, and you can join me. For that, you need to email me on addzeros.daytrader@gmail.com. You will email me. I'm going to share you my Skype invite. And also, I am doing two workshops, one on 17th of April, and the next one is on the 1st of May. Uh, One is about the stock selection process and how you can select the how you shortlist your stock in the morning session, how you can identify the ranges, how you can prep for that, and how you can plan and execute it. And the next one is on the trade book. And trade book is very important, and most traders who do not have a consistency in the day trading, the reason is that they do not have their trade book. Trade book basically includes all the criteria and the parameters for which you need to trade or take any trade. Just like if you have a strategy, you follow gap and go. But for gap and go is just in strategy. It doesn't tell you when to enter and when to exit. This is your trade parameters. Your trade book going to tell you when to enter, when to exit, when to take partial. And it's very important for you to have that the written rules and parameters in your trading book to have your edge, so then you can execute over and over and over on a consistent basis to make yourself consistent result. And you won't be able to get it if you do not have that. So if you really wanted to know more about that topic, or you wanted to learn, you know feel free to look the links below underneath of this video, or email me. I'm going to share you the details about it. And if you wanted to join the tomorrow uh, Skype session with me, is a free. You can join me, just send me an email, and I'm going to send you the Skype invite. Thank you very much, and hope you have a nice green day, and we will see you tomorrow in the pre-market show.